Today I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your email in Klaviyo. If you're looking to boost engagement in your email campaigns with clear call to action buttons, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns and templates. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From here, click on Content. This section houses all your email templates and creative assets. After clicking Content, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and select templates from that list. This is where all your saved email designs live, making it easy to access and edit them whenever needed. Now at the top of the page, click on Email Save to view all the templates you've created and stored. This will display a list of your existing email templates. Browse through them and select the one you want to add a button to. Once you've found the right template, click on it to open the options, then select Edit Template. This will launch the email editor where you can make all your customizations. You'll now see the email editor interface with your template loaded. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a panel showing all the available blocks you can add to your email. These blocks include text, images, dividers, and importantly for our task today, buttons. Scroll through the options until you find the button block. Once you've located it, simply drag and drop it into the section of your email where you want it to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to position elements exactly where you need them. After you've placed the button in your email, the left panel will automatically switch to show the button's properties. Here's where you can fully customize it to match your campaign goals. First, you can edit the text that appears inside the button. This should be action-oriented, something like Shop Now, Learn More, or Get Started, depending on what you want your recipients to do. Next, you'll see a field where you can input a link address. This is crucial because it determines where people will land when they click your button. Paste in the URL of your product page, landing page, or wherever you want to drive traffic. Make sure this link is correct and functional before saving. Below that, you'll find the Styles section where you can really make the button match your brand. You can adjust the color of the button to align with your brand palette, ensuring visual consistency across your emails. There's also an option to modify the corner radius, which controls how rounded or sharp the button edges appear. A higher radius gives you a pill-shaped button, while a lower number creates sharper corners. You can even add a border to your button if you want to create a more outlined look. There's also a drop shadow option available, which adds depth and makes your button stand out more against the background of your email. These styling options give you complete creative control over how your button looks and feels. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully customized button to your email in Klaviyo that can drive clicks and conversions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.